This is a solved Rubik's cube. We'll learn how to solve a Rubik's cube in the easiest way. So first I'm going to scramble this Rubik's cube so that I can make it easy for solving. Okay, first of all we have to know that the Rubik's cube is having 6 points, like a red point, one blue, white, orange, green and yellow. First we have to select one point, which I am going to select is a white. I'll keep the white in the top, and we'll solve first this top portion. And for that we have to make a plus on this top portion. Like here we are having a red, so we have to align the red and white on this portion. Here we are having a blue color, so we have to select blue and white here. Here an orange, so orange and white. Similarly green and white we have to select, so we have to make a white cross over here. I'm going to check where the red and white portion is. It is over here. So the main thing is that first we have to get this right hand portion downwards. So we'll get this red over here. To make this red aligned here, we have to take and rotate to the left hand side. And now the both red are aligned and the white is in the bottom portion. We need it over here. Rotate that portion directly to the upwards. So we got this portion aligned. The same way as here also we need blue and white. Blue here and white here. And this is, here it is, blue and white is over here. The thing is that first this is aligned and it came directly to the bottom of this portion. So what we have to do is that we have to align this blue over here. Just rotate this left hand side upwards, and this is our face side. Rotate to the upwards, it came here, and again this right hand side we have to place in the old position. So we got an L shape, aligned red and white, blue and white. Here it's orange and white. We need to get the orange and white portions, and it is over here. So for getting this orange and white portion here, what we have to do is rotate the left hand side directly to the downwards, rotate to right hand side, make it again back to the same position. It is not misaligned, it's over here, and the orange is over here. So we need to get this orange portion over to this place. Just rotate the left hand side to the top portion, keep it on top, make it to the back previous position. So we have this blue white aligned, red white aligned, orange white aligned, and now here is green. We have to align, and it is over here. And for that we need to get that green this side. So these portions are aligned. Make it here, rotate the front portion to the top side, and this one. Now we made a plus on the top portion. Now we have to concentrate on the 4 corners, 4 cubes over here. So first the thing is that we have to check which is the color on your right hand side. It is red. Here the facing corner is green, and this is white. So we have to check which one is having red, white and green color. And red, white and green color is this one, and it is over here. So what we have to do is that bring this corner to this portion, which we have to align. We have to align this portion, so we have to get this corner to this portion. First get the left hand side to the bottom portion, make it to right side, right, and make this portion again back to the same position, so that we will not misalign these portions. Okay, and now this is on right side. We have to get this white on the top, so it is in the same position. Like if we want white on this top, that particular portion should be facing towards us. Now what we have to do is that rotate the bottom portion to the left hand side and make this right hand side come down, rotate it back to same position. Now white is aligned, red is aligned, and green is over here. We have to get this green over here, so rotate back to this top portion. So now we have aligned this cube. Like this, right hand side corner is aligned green, red and white. Similarly, the same steps we have to do here. We have to check the red, blue and green, sorry, white corners, and this is the corner we have to align here. So the first thing you have to remember is whichever corner we have to align over here, it should come to the directly to the bottom of that corner. So now we are having the same red, green, blue and white corner here, and it is facing to our face. So what we have to do is that rotate it to the left hand side, sorry, right hand side. Make the left hand side come down, rotate here, this one, and this aligned. And here also the same, it is in the reverse order, like orange we have to get here, blue we have to get here, and white we have to get to the top. So make it down, bring it down, rotate to left hand side, make it back to upwards. Now it is here, just make it down here, so that it is aligned to the directly to the bottom portion of the main corner. Now what we have to do is that just make this portion to our right hand side, rotate to the right hand side, make it downwards, left hand side we have to get it downwards, rotate the bottom again back to the same position, make it upwards. So these portions we got it aligned, and now the final portion is this cube we have to do. And here it is green, orange and white. We have to check where it is having green, orange and white. This is the one. So first we have to make it here. It is already up to here. So the thing is that just make this right hand side come down, rotate to the right hand side, make it upwards. So we have solved the top portion. Main thing we have to remember is that should not misalign these colors and this portion we should not misalign. And the thing is that now we have to concentrate on these four corners, these four cubes, and for that we have to check which is the color corresponding to that we have to align. So here, for example, here we have blue and red. So we need a corner like red here and blue here, and it is over here. And for aligning this one, first we have to check which color is over here, and we have to align that color to the corresponding same corner. And now we are having red and blue here. We have to take this blue over here. So what we have to do is that rotate this bottom portion to the opposite side. Which portion you have to correct? We have to do the operation to the opposite side. So this is right hand side, this cube we have to align, and we have to rotate the bottom portion to the left hand side, make this right hand side come down, and again back to this same position, rotate the bottom portion here, make it upwards. Now what we have changed is that this portion it came here. So the same step as same first one, we have to make it to right hand side, bring it down and make it to the back same position, make it upwards. Now we have aligned this area same as the other things, other pieces. We have to do, this is orange, we have to align this portion right now. This is orange and this is blue, so we have to select a point like orange and blue. I have aligned the orange and blue to the directly to the bottom of this orange center portion. What we have to do is that the same version which I did in the right hand side, we have to do in the left hand side. So the thing is that for aligning this position, we have to rotate this portion, bottom portion, to the right hand side, bring the left hand side to the downwards, make it to the same position. Bottom side will come to this right hand old position, bring it upwards. Now this portion got misaligned. So for making this aligned, this is the bottom portion. We have to take it to right hand side, bring it down, make it same position. So these portions got aligned. And now what we have to do is that to align this portion, this is green and orange, and it is misaligned. It is here it came green and this is orange. So what we have to see is that either we can select this orange or we can select green, make it like this, rotate to the right hand side, left hand side, bring it down, rotate to right old position, make it up, Okay, and now this one we have to align here. Rotate the right hand position, bring it down, rotate to the old position, make it up. So the thing is that this portion which we were having here, it came here. So now we will align this orange and green here. Now the same old procedure, like rotate the left hand side, rotate the right hand side downwards, bottom again back to right rotation, make it to upwards. Now it is this top portion came to the bottom. What we have to do is that the same old first procedure, like rotate to the right hand position, bring left hand to the downwards, again back to same position, make it aligned. So we have got this portion also aligned, this portion aligned, this portion aligned, this portion aligned. So we have solved all the two layers. Now we have to get this top layer aligned. For that, first we have to know one thing is that either we will be getting a dot like a square, only one square, or we will be having an L shape, or else we will be having a minus shape, or else we will be having a plus. Ignore these four positions, just we will be having a plus shape. So the first thing was that I was having a this one, so or else we will be having a dot. So if you are having an L shape in the initial stage, just make the L shape comes to your right hand side, like this portion should be on your right hand side. And for getting, now we have to make an minus position. So for that, you do rotate the front portion, and you take this portion like this portion, it should be like this only. You should not change the position of the cube. Place it like this, keep it in your hand like this, rotate the front portion downwards towards your right hand side, make this right hand side come upwards, rotate the top portion to the left hand side, make it this right hand side to come down, again to the back, rotate the front top portion to the old position, rotate, turn back the front portion to old position. So we will be having a minus. Place it as horizontal to your face. Again, so do the same procedure, like rotate the front portion up, right hand side to the upward position, rotate to the left hand side, the top portion should, we have to change to the left hand side, make this come down to the back position, top position to the back position, and front position to the back position. So we haven't changed any, we haven't misaligned the top bottom two positions. We have got one plus corner. Now all these points are also got aligned. So now we have to check is that all the four corners, if it gets aligned, or if it's already aligned, means it's okay, fine. Otherwise we will be having here, we have to get orange, blue and yellow. We are not having orange, blue and yellow. It is here the same, green, orange and yellow, it is not the same. Here red, green and yellow, it is not the same. Blue, red and yellow, it is not the same. So what we have to do is that for aligning these things, make this left hand side come up, rotate the right hand side to one position, left side, make this right hand side to come up, again this top portion to the old position, make this come down, and we have to take this top portion to again to the left hand side. So this got aligned, make this right hand side come down, one more rotation, this top portion we have to get to the back same position, because we should not change this alignment. So now we have, what we have got is that, okay, this portion is got aligned, like yellow, it is not the same, yellow is here, orange is here, and blue is here. So this portion is the same corresponding portion for this one, but all the other points are not aligned. So what we have to do is that just keep this portion to your right hand side, make this, do the same procedure again, once again, like bring the left hand side to upwards, rotate the top portion to left hand one time, bring this right hand side to upwards, make this top portion come to the back same position, bring this left hand side down, one more rotation on for the top portion to the left hand side. Now bring this down, Again, to align this one, just rotate like this. So what we have got is that this portion is got also the same corner, this is also having the same corner, this is also having the same corner, this is also having the same corner. Now what we have to do is that we have to align this to their same order. So first we have to do rotate this right hand side to the top portion. 2 times you have to rotate this top portion to the left hand side. Bring this right hand side to downwards. We have to rotate the top portion to the right hand side once. Bring this right hand side upwards. Again we have to bring this back. Bring this back to the same position, old position. Same procedure we have to do this here. The only thing is that you have to remember only you have to check only one thing of the rotation, like bring this upwards, to rotation like this. Bring this left hand right, once downwards. Again you have to rotate to the left hand side, should not go to the right hand side, you have to go to the left hand side. Bring it upwards, again to the left hand side, bring it downwards. So again it's same, we have to do the same procedure here. I've done the same procedure here. Again same procedure we have to do like that. This portion is aligned. The thing is that what we have to do is that always bring the misaligned position to your right hand side. So this portion is aligned. Now we have to do the same over here. Bring upwards, 2 rotation, bring downwards, 1 rotation back, bring upwards, 1 rotation back, bring down. So this one again we have to do the same procedure here. Left hand to upwards, 2 rotation to the left hand side, top 2 rotation to the left hand side. Bring the top left hand side down, rotation once, bring the left hand side up, 1 rotation, bring it down. Now this is the fully solved Rubik's cube. It is the easiest way. Practice.